So, andito kami ngayon sa Andabol, guys. Is Park Lane. And, yeah, natuloy na talaga yung gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko, which is mag-swimming. And, I just woke up. Actually, 2 hours lang yung tulog ko. But, yeah, it's all worth it naman. Since hindi masyadong mainit. And, the weather is like decent. So, dito, mag-beach lang kami dito, mag-swimming. And then, mag-breakfast. And after that, is, yun na nga, lilipat na. And here's the view, guys. So, ganyan lang siya, actually. Yung dagat dito is like, very, very nice. Like, can you see that? Bluish, kindish, greenish water. Kasi nga malumot na siya, but overall it's still nice. So that's the dining area, guys, and there are pools there. And then may pool din dyan. And dun. So pupunta natin mamaya dun. Since parang bago siya, and parang sobrang tagal ko na nakapunta dito. Like last year pa ata. And hindi pa siya ganito. Like totally renovated. Ngayon, maayos na siya. And totally worth it. The use nila dito is like 800 pesos. And you have like a complimentary food. Like a bento food. Dito na yung pagkain namin, guys. I ordered sweet and sour, and yun sa kanila is lechon kawali. Kasama na yan sa 800 pesos na entrance fee. For day use lang. So ayun, kakain muna kami. So ayan, guys, it's hindi na siya maulan actually, and papunta kami sa pool. Yeah. Namumula yung mata ko kasi sobrang hapde, sobrang alat kasi talaga ng dagat. Syempre dagat siya, tangka ba, pero yun nga, papunta kami sa pool, andun banda. And ewan ko ba't dito kami dumaan. Puki ng inerls sa Pinerl. So ang ganda talaga dito, guys. Actually, we've been here for like 1,000, OA naman sa 1,000 time. Mga hindi ko na mabilang, basta dito kami lagi. Since sobrang ganda talaga ng dagat. It's not boring, it's not like plain, and it's really like far to the, anong tawag dyan, malayo siya sa lahat. For like solely purpose dito is relaxation talaga. Sobrang ganda talaga dito, guys, and I cannot explain how beautiful it is. Like kahit lang beses kami ditong pabalik-balik, hindi talaga nakakaumay, galaan. So ayan siya. Can you like see that tubig? Papunta kami sa pool. Ayun ko, parang madaming tao ba? May nagpo-program. So baka siguro hindi kami makapag-swimming kami dito. May balete pa dito. Yan guys. Ayun yung pool na dapat pagsiswimming na lang. Kasi may mga tao sa huwag na lang. So lilipat kami ng pool guys. Kasi nga may mga nagpo-program doon banda. Doon na pool. So lilipat kami dun sa mas malaki. Kasi itong pool na to, especially pang guest lang talaga siya. Pero, parang inopen ata nila for on. Pati sa day use. Kaya ayun. On the way there. So ayun guys, nandito kami sa pool. It's actually the jacuzzi. Kasi hindi siya mainit. Parang tanga lang. Ayun. Ganda naman. Ayan siya guys. Like dagat na yung baba. Actually may hagdan dyan. But kakaligo lang namin ng dagat. So, dito muna kami sa pool. Ayun. Ayun guys. If you really feel like going somewhere, should go. Don't stop yourself from being happy. And masasabi ko lang, don't rely on other people. Don't get emotionally attached to people kasi in the end, people will leave you. Hindi naman totally leave you, but eventually they will have a life. Then, you have to figure it out on your own. So, yun. Naging life lesson pa tong vlog ko, puta. So, ayun nga. Ayun yung view. Tapos, ayun yung, oh my god. Ayun siya guys. Like, ayun guys, super ganda here. Tara! So, andito kami sa next destination. It's like Siargao. So, ang ganda dito guys. Sobrang OA ko guys. Ayun. Pag may gusto kayong puntahan nyo te. You don't need company. Pero may company pa rin naman ako ngayon kasi ang layo kaya dito kasi ako lang pupunta dito. Mas maganda na pag may kasama. Pero kung yun nga, if you really wanted to go to somewhere, just go. Kasi nakaka-fulfill siya ng part. Will never feel negative about anything. Like, do you get it? Or you get it? Tangina, basang-basa na te. Yan yung food namin guys. May buffalo wings, crab tsaka shrimp, and their sauce. Tapos ayan, rice. Good food and a good view. Thank you, Lord.